What's going on, squad? Nate Bauer here. Check it. This is the perfect way for you to put together a phenomenal boxing and conditioning workout with running, in-home bike, or even skipping. Here's all you need. Something that you can use for your cardio piece to increase your stamina. It could be a treadmill, could be a spin bike or an in-home bike, or even a climb mill or a skipping rope. A heavy bag. Obviously, not everybody has a heavy bag, but if you do, have that close to you, or shadow box. And here's how these workouts work. If you are a beginner, you're gonna work on your treadmill for 5-minute sets, all right? This 5-minute set is gonna be at, say, 30 to 40% of your effort. So in other words, if you have to put your hands on the treadmill to step off to the side, you can do that. If you have to push pause, you can do that, but work at about a 5-minute set. Once you're done your 5-minute set, you're gonna calmly get off the treadmill, walk to your heavy bag, and work your boxing combinations. The first round at 3 minutes, you're gonna work 2-punch combos standing still. In other words, you don't have to move a lot, just work on throwing your hands. Then the second round, once you are done your second set of 5 minutes on the treadmill, you can work 3-punch combinations standing still. Then you can put your third round, your next round, you can put 2 and 3 punch combinations together, still standing relatively in the same spot. Just step left to right, in and out a little bit. If you are more advanced, on the treadmill, you can work at anywhere between 60 and 80% of your max effort for your 5 minutes. So that might be, say, 7, 8, 9 miles an hour, 2 or 3% incline. Again, make sure you're running at a safe pace. On the bike, that's, your legs are burning. You're huffing and puffing. And if you're skipping, you're working double unders or you're doing crossovers, a nice continuous pace. And climb mill will get you regardless. When you're done that, you can calmly come off the treadmill, put your gloves on, make sure your gloves are not strapped up so you can put them on easy. And then when you're working your 2-punch combinations for set 1, you're adding in movements and already slipping and doing your thing. The second round, you're gonna be working 3-punch combinations, lots of movement, adding in some more power, a little more sharpness on your punches. And then your third round, once you get off the treadmill again, you're gonna add in 2 and 3-punch combinations with a little more power and speed, and even punches and bunches in more interval style. That way you have a constant build. If you want more of an advanced workout, you just do core pieces in between for 1-minute sets, get back up, and then jump back on the treadmill or back on that heavy bag, and work continuously that way. You can do 5 rounds if you want, by 5 minutes on the treadmill, and then 5 rounds again on the heavy bag. That's an awesome workout. Or even just 3 here, 3 on the bag. That's still solid. Beginners, just think easy movement, non-stop, keeping your heart rate at a nice steady pace, with occasionally getting that to elevate and then lowering down, so you work on your recovery process as well. Those are great ways for you guys to use a treadmill, a bike, skipping, even a climb mill to help elevate your fitness game, to increase your stamina. And it's not hard to piece together. You just have to be calm with it. You just have to be focused. And of course, if you don't have anything, you do this outside and work shadow boxing. I just did a boxing workout for running on the Nate Bauer Fitness YouTube channel. Check that workout, it's right there. It's a great session. Get into it. Of course, leave me a comment and let me know how you felt, and I'll see you warriors in the next video.